Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rename your DELL 7320 Detachable. To rename it, go to the settings, then in the settings go to System, then go to About, and here you can click on Rename this PC. Now you can set a new name for it, and click on Enter. Now it will ask you to restart your PC. You can click on Restart Now or click on Restart Later. When you click on Restart Later, then it will show you two device names. The one at the bottom is gonna be the new one, and it's gonna be applied after you restart your device. To restart it, after clicking on Restart Later, just click on the Start button, then click on the Power button and click on Restart. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.